Hey guys, it's Aaron here from Peats, and today we've been visited by the guys from TP-Link with their Omada on Tour demo van. Let's go have a look. Well guys, here we are. Let's have a walk through.
So what we're showcasing here today, we've got our demonstration van, which is a fully contained unit. We're showing off all our different models of cameras that we've got available. So we've got our turret cameras, we've got our dome cameras, we've also got PTZs, which are actually connected to the outside of the vehicle as well. And if you come over here, what we've also got is showcasing our access points. So this shows you our indoor ceiling mounted access points alongside our wall mounted ones. And then we've also got outdoor ones as well. These access points are really nice because they offer it in a directional format, being able to offer Wi-Fi for things like festivals, being able to achieve around 200 meters of Wi-Fi connectivity as well. We've got a fully contained rack here showing our switches and NVRs as well. And then I've got a full demonstration of live networks as well. So if you come down, we'll be able to show you a fully functioning Omada and VIGI setup and show you exactly what it's capable of achieving.